All right, what's up everyone? We are doing a little truck camping today. I'm on the Arkansas-Louisiana border. A lot of people call this the most remote spot in all of Arkansas, so I can't disagree because I spend a lot of time out here and I don't see a lot of people. We're doing a little river camping right on the river. So hang out here tonight, do this, cook some dinner. I'm gonna get up in the morning, throw my kayak in the water, go explore some of the backwaters. I love coming out here. Lots of water, perfect place for a kayak. If you're into bass fishing, crappie fishing, catfishing, so much water out here, it's just a good time. But one of those places you can come and camp right on the river like this right here. It's just nice. But anyway, it's February, 70 degrees during the day, getting about 40 at night. So just checking, boiling some rice. Gonna do some instant rice tonight, blackened tilapia, do some vegetables, got my pan heating up, go ahead and blacken it, get that hot. Seasonings, got a little garlic salt on the tilapia, Zatarain's blackened seasoning. So I got one side seasoned already. Trying to do dinner real quick because I'm losing light. It's February, like I said, and we, about 6:15 or so, it starts getting kind of dark and the camera just doesn't pick up anything. So anyway, bugs, perfect time to be out right now because the bugs aren't terrible. Did go ahead and drop my mosquito net because 70 is right there on the fringe when the bugs like to come out and play peekaboo with you. And I've seen a couple mosquitoes, but it is my favorite time to come out in February. And I'll try to remind myself to slow down, but I get excited when I get to get outside. So anyway, let me do dinner. Everything's starting to smoke pretty good, and let's get that going. Let me throw some oil on the pan. That's nice and hot. Throw this fish on. So wash my hands off real fast. Be right back. All right, that's looking good. Go and do the other side real fast. Garlic salt. That's blackening up pretty good. Need to dice up some vegetables real quick. Fish is done. Oh, pepper. And a little salt. Man, it's gonna be a good night. Looks like a beaver crossing up there. All right, guys, so I'm gonna hang out here, do some dinner. Everything's done, blackened tilapia, some stir-fried vegetables, some rice, nice beverage. Gonna hang out here, got this cool view. Hanging out here truck camping on the river. What an awesome way to spend a February night. So after this, I might go try to find some firewood. Not really sure if I'm up for the the hunt, but I might make it happen. But right now I'm starving. That food smells so good, so it's time to eat. Let's see, first bite. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, that's good. All right, guys, we'll check in a little bit later. All right, what a fun day. Went out and gathered some firewood. Got a little nice fire. It's about 60 degrees, so it's not too cool. Actually, I had to set back a little bit because it'll get kind of crispy on your legs. But got my setup going, so just gonna hang out here for the rest of the night and just kind of listen. I heard some owls earlier, so listen to the owls, and heard some others splashing around the water. So just it's gonna be a good night. It's been a good day, so I'm excited. Tomorrow's gonna be fun. I'm gonna get up, go find a place to throw the kayak in the water, and kind of just paddle around and see some of the backwaters. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and sign off for tonight. Just hang out here by the fire and just let it do its thing. All right, good morning. We slept good last night, got up, hanging out here, got some coffee, getting started. It's just it's a beautiful morning. Sun's coming out. Didn't sleep too cold. I had got a liner this trip. Wanted to talk. I got a new piece of gear before the trip. Probably got it about a month ago. I've been using it actually at the house. My wife's been bundling up with it on the couch during the winter when it's been kind of cold. But anyway, it's just a liner. So it got down to like 35 last night, and I thought that might not be cold enough for my normal 0-degree sleeping bag. So I brought my 30-degree sleeping bag, and I had this liner. Got it definitely for the trips this year, because last year I had the 0-degree and the 30-degree, and it wasn't always cold enough. So some days I woke up sweating. So I wanted something kind of fill in, you know, get like basically down to like 20-25 degrees. So 35, this adds about 10 degrees to your sleep situation. So it's a Big Agnes McKinnis, super comfortable. This last night with my 30-degree bag was perfect. So just to give you an idea, I don't want it to get super muddy. We're on a but it's got clips and on the sides, so you can clip it into your sleeping bag if you want. Here's the zipper, got a nice little pull. This is a right side opening. But yeah, I just threw it inside the sleeping bag last night and crawled in with it. Slept perfect. So definitely would recommend it. Like I said, super comfortable last night, no issues on that. So, but anyway, throw that back up here. All right, everyone, we got to the first spot. Wanted to come explore. So this beautiful little cypress pond. right, so that pretty much wraps up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a good time showing you guys a little bit of my backyard. Super cool area. I've enjoyed exploring it the last 15 years or so. So anyway, I'll throw some more of these type style videos up for you guys, some trunk camping, travel, sightseeing, stuff like that. I'm excited for the upcoming year. I got some cool stuff planned out, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll get in touch again soon. Thanks for watching.